Jarmo a point in the end, but I'm sure you're very frustrated. You'll know that's the game you should and could have won.
We spoke quite a lot about with the players and with the staff that we just have to have the courage to win this game. There's no substitution for experience, and we just got to play these games. We've got to play these games more, and in the end of the day, we will win this. But it's difficult to see us a year ago coming back from 1-0 down, conceding a soft goal. When you play against the top teams, they can kill the game, and Ukraine is a master of killing the game when they're 1-0 up. The real positive was that the players had the patience to keep passing, keep playing, and trying to find the good areas to get behind them or use the space in front of them, and we kept doing that.
We can play football, we can also play ugly football, and play the game, and I think a lot of people here today will leave and think, how good that we've come and how good we've done, and I think we can be considered now as a footballing team and to be considered as a threat. And for us to be, coming in 1-1 and taking a point is, was better than nothing. And, second half I thought we were going to edge it a bit more and get the 3 points. But, Ukraine are a good team and we're not going to take anything from them. They defended very well. If we prioritise football, and that's what we'll do, and that's what Jarmo have done, and we're fortunate enough to have a manager like him, and it shows on the football pitch, and stuff like that will give you results. Playing
against a team that has been in the final tournaments for a number of times and done well, and being able to play them in a way that sometimes even outplay them, then we are really looking forward to the second half of the campaign.